think it was a very good job the first 20 minutes, the same like we did in South Africa in the first game. But even in the first quarters, we come back to the game ready again. It's what we need to do in the first game, because we know sometimes it's difficult when you are, 20 points up so early. The game is too long, and the team show character on the court. But also when they defense 2-3 zone, we keep calm. Everybody was focused. So I am satisfied for the job, but it's not over. It's not over. We need one more. We need one more.
You're still undefeated in the playoffs. Do you think you're going to the finals undefeated?
Of course, I really would like everybody. But I am a coach who like to go step by step, game by game, day by day. For me now, the more important thing is go to the locker room, talk with the players, ask them how they feel, and recovering everybody for next game.